Good life forever.
You better do that.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Good Life Forever, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'll be giving y'all another GOAT haircut. Alright, I'm going in and start off with the bald line. Alright, I already combed the hair into place, I already set it into place, so I'm jumping right into this haircut. Alright, if you're new to this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, and make sure you hit that bell to turn on post notifications so you know when a new video is coming out. If you're not new to this channel, make sure you still hit that like button, and if you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button. All right, so we're just doing the basic bald fade here. All right, I had to use my iPhone camera, you know what I'm saying, because I left my battery for my other camera at the house. So hey, you got to improvise. I'm using the iPhone 12 Pro Max. All right, and I heard some good things about this camera, so I'm like, well, this is a good chance to give it a start, you know what I'm saying, and give it a shot to see what quality it's going to bring out. And for so far, I really like the quality that this camera is really giving out. Okay, so I'm just going in, setting this bald line, then I'm gonna follow in with my liners to make sure it's bald. Okay, when clients ask for bald fades, make sure they're as bald as possible on the sides. Okay, be careful with shavers, especially with ethnic African Americans, etc. You know what I'm saying, because they will bump out. You know what I'm saying, so use a straight razor if they want it real bald, or your liner should do the job. All right, the next step is, of course, we're gonna go in with the clipper all the way open, okay, and set our second guideline. I'm using the Gamma Alphas. Okay, man, I love these clippers, y'all. Man, they are great for fading. They're great for setting these lines in. Once you zero gap them, because they all mainly come with surgical blades. You know what I'm saying? So I just love these clippers. I'm about to get rid of all my other clippers, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I am so in love with these Gammas. Gamma Plus, they're Italian made. They're great for, blending. They're great for hair cutting, and they're great for knocking the hair down. So you got everything that you want in a clipper in one. And Gamma's really starting. A lot of people sleep on Gammas. Everybody's on the Babblers tip. Just know I'm not sponsored by Gamma or any other clipper company, in the industry. And it's a good thing, because guess what? You can use whatever clipper you want. You know what I'm saying? But I love these Gammas. I love how they feel. I love the power that comes with them. And I'm just setting my second guideline. All right, y'all, the next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my one guard close. Okay, his hair is already basically at a one guard close when it was taken down. So basically all I'm doing is I'm just going in with my one guard close. My boy Ron sitting up in the camera with his thumbs up. I'm just noticing that. So I'm just going in with my one guard close. All right, I'm basically just taking all that extra bulk down, because that one guard close really isn't gonna do anything with his hair, because he's already really at a one guard close with the grain. I didn't even really have to take any hair down. Okay, then I'm gonna follow it back in with my zero guard close. I'm just gonna come back behind and try my best to blend that out. He has a very funny hair texture. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't like this haircut at all. I've done a whole lot better haircuts, but I do not like this haircut at all, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. His hair texture, he has a very hard hair texture to cut. You know what I'm saying? He has that hair texture like they have grease in their hair, but he doesn't have grease in his hair. His hair just so laid, naturally laid. It's not really much he can do with it. Like, he can go to sleep and his hair will probably be in the same place when he goes to sleep. You know what I'm saying? That's how hard his hair texture is. So I'm just, I don't like the haircut. Now I'm going in with my zero guard close, blending that line out, you know what I'm saying, doing the best I can, trying to stay as consistent as I can. I'm just keeping everything consistent, man. I'm using my corners. I'm keeping going around the head. Remember, we're doing a ball fade. So, a ball fade is not an easy fade to do. And just trying to get it as blurry as possible. You know what I'm saying? This hair is very choppy. So I'm just working on it, getting it as blurry as possible. And trying to get this haircut done.
516, you better do that, do that, do that, do that.
Alright, y'all, next thing I'm gonna do before I really get in there and start blending, he wanted 2 parts on the side of his head. I'm gonna go ahead and put them 2 parts in, and what that bottom part is gonna do is it's really gonna help me set a boundary on how high to blend, so that part will still be visible. Okay, so I'm going ahead and put the 2 parts in to basically set me a boundary, so we know what's going on, and then I'm gonna follow it back up and go back and start working and blending in that fade. Alright. Alright, so now what I'm doing is I'm going in with my Gamma Ergos, and I'm basically doing my detail work. You know what I'm saying? I'm opening and closing. Now, what everybody got to understand about these Gamma Ergo clippers, and I promise y'all I have a review coming out soon to compare the alphas to the gammas. But what I love about the gammas is the detail work you could do with these gammas as far as blending and fading in between lines and getting all those dark spots out. You know what I'm saying? I could literally go with my trimmer, set a bald line, and these gammas will definitely take that line out. Okay, so basically all I'm doing is I'm just going in doing detail work with these clippers. These are some outstanding clippers. I'm telling y'all, Gamma is on to something. Gamma is on to something. Shout out to Gamma for these clippers. These are a hidden gem. You know what I'm saying? More of the industry need to pull these out more. They're cheap, they're durable, they have the longest running battery time out of all the clippers I've used. I have the cordless masters, I got the cordless seniors, you know what I'm saying? And these run times on these clippers are like 120 something minutes long. Okay, the masters only gonna last you about 2 haircuts for that red light. Come on, them wall seniors last you about 2 haircuts. I can literally do about 3 to 4 haircuts with these clippers with ease, and they don't lose no power. This is definitely the most powerful clipper that I have used in my hand in a long time, and shout out to Gamma for these clippers. So yeah, all I'm doing is I'm just moving my levers where I see those dark spots set at the bottom of that line. I'm just slowly knocking them out, you know what I'm saying, and getting to where I need to be. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I might use this iPhone camera more often. You know what I'm saying? Like, this iPhone camera is giving out great quality. You know what I'm saying? I'm using the back cameras. I was using the front cameras at the beginning of the video, and I basically turned my iPhone around, and I was able to zoom in and get to where I needed to be, so you're not seeing too much of the background. But I really love this camera. I might use my iPhone camera a whole lot more often. You know what I'm saying? And it just, this is a nice camera. I haven't really been posting videos for a while. I just took a little bit of break. I've still been at the shop. I've still been cutting hair, but the YouTube grind is real, y'all. Like, you really have to have a strong passion to be a YouTuber. So I just, I had to reset myself, give myself about a month break. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of discouraging. You put in hard work and effort. It's already hard enough to record a video. You know what I'm saying? But it's even harder, trying to come back behind and, edit it as well. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate the little love that I get. I appreciate the GOAT love that I get from all you guys. I just had to take a little break and come back and, get back focused, you know what I'm saying, and get back on this YouTube grind. So I'm trying to, my goal is to do about 2 to 3 videos a week to get back in this algorithm, get these views back up. So if you watch this video, man, please show this video some love, man. Let's get this video out to the YouTube world, you know what I'm saying, and help your boy out. So I'm doing a lineup now. As you see, I was running my mouth when I did the other side. So basically I'm just keeping it consistent on this side, you know what I'm saying. I'm bringing it all the way over, you know, and I'm just going to work on my sidebars, you know what I'm saying. I didn't do my sidebar on this side, but if you're a new barber, you're not really sure where the hairline is, do the sidebars first. It's going to tell you where to bring the clipper over from, you know what I'm saying, the front of his head over to the corner of his head. Okay, so just keep everything consistent. Tap the line. Don't do no pushbacks. All right, you don't want to be no hairline killer, you know what I'm saying. So just tap where it is, make it as natural as you possibly can. And if they're thinning and you might need enhancements, something like that, then offer the client some enhancements. But don't push the client back, throw enhancements on the client's head. And you know, you got to realize, you know, most enhancements are temporary colors, which means once you do about a wash, it's gone, you know what I'm saying. So make sure we, you know, stay consistent. Don't overuse enhancements. Nobody wants to look like a big blob of paint sitting on their forehead. And just lock in, man, and keep it as natural as possible. As y'all see now, I'm working on the beard with my clipper. He's very sensitive on his face with a straight razor, so I'm doing more to work with the clipper on this particular haircut than the straight razor, you know, just to keep the client at ease and everything. Alright y'all, I'm about to go in with my Barber Magic pencil. Go ahead and set my chalk line. Alright, remember, the Barber Magic pencil really makes the hairline pop. It gives it a really good look. If you are really big on social media as far as photos on social media, this Barber Magic pencil will really help your photos stand out and really make that hairline stand out. So all I'm doing is I'm barely tapping the line, bringing the pencil all the way over. I'm going to come back behind. I'm going to hit it with the liners, you know, to blend it back out. And of course, I got going with my Tune 45 triple cartridge razor with the maximum exposed blade. All right, the blades that I'm currently using is CASHAPP blades. Go to CASHAPP.com and you'll be able to get these blades. All right, these are the best blades I've ever used. You know, you got to order them, so make sure you know your inventory and see how far, you know, what their ordering times are. All right, the client looking at the haircut, you know what I'm saying, he's pleased. You know what I'm saying? And this is another banger, y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for coming through. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. I appreciate y'all for showing me all that love that y'all showed me. And as always, good life over everything. And I'll see y'all on the next video.